Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to create a new Google Ads account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to start advertising and reach potential customers quickly. So first, you will have to go to adsgoogle.com and then just go ahead and click that and wait for the website to load on your browser. And then so just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will have to click this start now button, that blue button right there on the top right. And then what you will have to do is sign in with your Google Ads account, if or you can create a new one either for your work, for your personal use or whatsoever. So just go ahead and fill that out, and then um you will then, after you sign into your account, you will have to enter your business name, your website URL, and then you will choose your primary advertising goal, like the sales, the leads, or the website traffic. And then you set your campaign settings, and then you will include the location, the audience, and the budget. And then, of course, you will have to enter your information so that you will be able to fully activate your account. And then click submit, and your new Google Ads account is ready. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.